Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about something that I think a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people trying to start a YouTube channel struggle with, and that is procrastination. I know I certainly have. You find it's amazing how many reasons you can find not to start recording a video. To give you an example, for this evening's video, I don't have enough light. It's getting too late in the day. I'm tired. That's just a few that just popped in my head as I sat down to record this video. But procrastination can really hold you back, and you think you might need certain things that you really don't. The camera that I'm using to film this with right now is a Canon SL2. I forget the exact year that they came out, but it is an old camera. It's a DLSR. Okay, that's what I've got. That's what I'm using. Now, I could have used the excuse I can't start this channel right now because I don't have a good enough camera, and that did keep me back from starting this channel for a little while because cameras are expensive. I mean, you can sink a couple $1,000s into a camera, and $500, $600, $700 into a lens, and you can have $3,000, $4,000 into a camera just to film with and take pictures, depending on what you're going to do with it. But getting back to procrastination, don't let that hold you back. I know it's real easy to say, oh, I can't because my camera just isn't good enough, or I can't because I don't have any lighting. It is 7:31 p.m. right now. The sun is still up, but it's very low. And as you can see in the background over here, I'm not right next to a window, but I do have two windows behind me, and I do have the blinds open, letting in as much light as I can get. And I've got a light on this camera that's it's actually a little light, probably about like this, designed for vlogging, that I got in a vlogging kit, and I just put it on my camera and hooked it up to USB to compute to a well, actually it's not USB, it's regular plug-in to the wall socket to give me light. So don't give in to those excuses and those feelings of I just don't have the equipment, or I don't have whatever it is. You need to change your mindset, and instead of saying I can't because of, you need to start saying, okay, how can I make work what I already have? And just start posting. Just start making videos. You probably might have to tweak it a little bit. I did with this camera. I struggled to get the angles correct and stuff, but just set it up, press record, sit down or stand, however you want to do it, and just start making the video and see how it looks. And you can adjust things as you progress on making more and more videos. You can change the way you have stuff set up. It's however that you can do it to make it work until you can do better. Even your cell phone. Most everybody has a cell phone. You can use one of them to do like a walking and talk vlog type style video. There was a guy, a YouTuber named Rob the Maritimer, and I'll leave his channel posted or linked down in the description below. But a lot of his videos are just out walking in nature, talking to his cell phone. He's just got a cell phone, and I believe he's got a Bluetooth mic that he uses that's connected to the phone, and that's what he uses to when he's out and about. Now those other things, this right here, this is a GoPro, and this is not a new GoPro. This GoPro is, I forget exactly which one it is. It might be the Hero 7 or 6, but it's an older model. I've had it for a while, but it still does the job. It takes pretty good video. I'm kind of limited right now on it by the SD card that I have in it, but I can do a 15 or 20 minute video in 4K at like 24 frames per second on this GoPro, and I can do over 30 minutes of just regular 1080p footage at 60 frames a second. So whatever it is that's holding you back, just change your mindset, and instead of asking or saying I can't because of, start thinking of what can I do to make this work with what I have. And this setup that I have right now to film this video is a perfect example. It's not the most crisp video, it doesn't have the sharpest image, doesn't even have the best lighting, but I'm doing it, I'm making it work. And this is to show you that you don't have to have all this fancy equipment to start with to make YouTube videos. You can start with what you have and build up from there. But yeah, just don't let things get you down. Don't let things hold you back. And if there's any suggestions that anyone has of videos that they want me to do next, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll read them. And if I think it'll help anyone out there or help me too, I'll make a video about it. So until then, and by the way, my name is Glenn. I don't think I introduced myself at the beginning, but yeah, just leave your comments in the comment section, any recommendations you have, and I will catch you on the next video.